Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to divide two numbers in Python. At first I am going to add two variables. I am going to add another variable which is div. I'm going to use divide operation. Let's print the div. Click on the run and you can see the output. So if I change the value from 10 to 20, you can see the execution is properly working. That's all for today. If you enjoy my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.